and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today I'm coming at you with a haul video. I'm very excited. I did participate in the Sephora Vib sale that went on this fall. I don't know if it'll still be going on by the time I upload this video. If it is, I will put the information down below in case you want to shop. It does go until November 9th, but like I said, I did participate in the sale. I did buy a handful of things. There was only one thing I was suckered into buying because of a recommendations video. I didn't watch too many recommendations videos, but I think I only watched 2 of them. And this thing I hadn't seen on the Sephora website until I saw the recommendations video, and I ended up picking it up, and so far I'm very excited about it. Also, I did put up a wish list video for this sale. There are a handful of things that were not included in that video that I ended up picking up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the items that I picked up during the Sephora Vib sale. So the first 2 things I picked up are not new to my channel, and I did mention them in my wish list video, and they were these 2 things right here. These are the Pharmacy Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balms. I did pick up 2 because I just ran out of 2. I always keep 1 in my bathroom and 1 in my purse, so they ran out and I repurchased them because I love them so much. Let's go ahead and get the skincare out of the way first. So that was the first thing, and then I also picked up this little set right here. So I knew I wanted to pick up a new moisturizer, and Biossance, I think is the name of this. I think it's how you pronounce it, Biossance. Pretty sure, not 100% sure. I've been really interested in their products. I did pick up their SPF at the beginning of summer, and I really liked that, so I wanted to pick up some more of their items, and this little set had really good reviews. So this comes with, let's see, their Squalene and Marine Algae Eye Cream, the Squalene and Lactic Acid Resurfacing and Night Serum, a Squalene and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer, a Squalene and Omega Repair Cream, and finally a Squalene and Vitamin C Rose Oil. So we got a lot of really great products in here. I'm very excited. I'm particularly interested in the repair cream and the gel moisturizer. I'm gonna break this out right now immediately, so I'm going to use these items, at least some of these items tonight, and I want to get a feel specifically for the gel moisturizer because I am almost out of my current moisturizer, which is the Youth to the People regular moisturizer, and if I like this more than I like that Youth to the People one, I might pick up one or the other. I need to pick up a full size of one of them, so after I get a couple nights use out of this one, I want to pick up a full size of some kind of moisturizer before the end of the sale so that I can save that 20% off. So I'm very excited about this. I think it was a good thing to pick up because it's already a good value. Regular price, this is valued at $116. In the set, it knocks it down to $58, and then with the 20% off, it knocks it down to under $50. So very excited about this, and then I'll have to give you some kind of update on what I think about these at some point. Okay, so those were the skincare items. I did pick up a perfume. Oh, this actually is something that wasn't mentioned in my wish list either, and that is because I had put a different perfume on my wish list, and then I decided to opt for this one instead. So this is by the brand The 7 Virtues. I'm so excited. I've now gotten 2 perfumes from them. I've gotten this one right here, which is Vanilla Woods, and then I also got their, I think it was Blackberry and Lily or something like that. I really liked the first one, but I accidentally dropped and broke it, so I didn't repurchase that one right away, but I did go ahead and pick up this one right here. Again, this is The 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods. Its main scent is vanilla, but it also has, it doesn't say anywhere on the box. Let me see if I can pull it up. So this has notes of pear, rose, and vanilla. Those are the 3 key notes, and it's described as a warm and spicy scent, which are my favorite scents. So I did already smell this right when I opened up the box, and I really like it. It is very warm and spicy. I really enjoyed this a lot. So I haven't given it like a full use yet, so I don't know how it wears on the skin, but so far I'm very pleased with my pick. It's really hard to buy perfumes right now because you can't really smell them in stores, especially a lot of cruelty-free perfumes. They don't have them available to smell in stores anyways, so it's definitely a bit of a gamble to order them online, but I'm pleased that that worked out. Okay, so moving on, all of the rest of the items I have are makeup related items, and I'm so excited. Okay, so first of all, this was on my wish list. This is the Lila B Luxe Lip Mini Duo. So I already have one of these lip oils. It's this one right here in the shade Be Sincere. It's a really beautiful, it's my lips, okay, well, I have them wearing lipstick, but it's my lips but better kind of situation. It's so pretty. I'm actually gonna give this this a bit of a swatch so I can compare it to the other two that I just picked up. So this is the shade Be Sincere, and this one you can't find online that I've been able to see, which is really weird, but I did find this in stores, in like a full Sephora store. So if you're looking for this shade specifically, you might have to get it in stores. Okay, and then the little set that I got comes with the shades Be Elegant and Be Remarkable. Be Elegant is described as a perfect nude, and then Be Remarkable is described as a berry wine. I was a little bit worried about Be Elegant, the nude one. I thought it was gonna be maybe a little too nude, but I did swatch them when I got this in the mail yesterday, and I don't think that it is. So look at how absolutely adorable these are. Oh, I just love them. I love them so much. They're so cute. Okay, so first of all, this is the shade Be Sincere. This is the one that I already have. I'm gonna swatch the other two just so you can kind of get a feel for what they look like. I like the applicators on these two. They're a lot thinner and a lot smaller than the applicators in the full size. The regular ones are just like super chunky. Look at that, which is fine for this more natural kind of color, but I was a little bit worried with the darker shade in this set because I thought about just picking up a full size of Be Remarkable, which is the wine color, but I was worried about how it would apply with the chunkier applicator, and you know, it takes forever to go through lip products anyway, so I thought it was safe just to get the deluxe sizes. Okay, so here are all of my swatches. So there is Be Sincere, and then Be Elegant, and then Be Remarkable. I think that they're all very, very pretty. I mean, you can see that the swatch on this one is a lot chunkier because the applicator's a lot chunkier. This is a formula that I really, really enjoy, and these do cost, like a full size of these cost, I think it's like $30. So quite a bit, but this little set is $22, valued at $36. I'm very happy with this purchase. I think I'll get a lot of use. Be Remarkable, I think I'll get a lot of use out of this winter, and then Be Elegant, the more nude one, I think I'll get a little bit more use out of in the spring and summertime of next year. Next, I picked up a mascara. This is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara Lift, Lengthen, Curl, Organic Shea Butter, and Arginine. Interesting. So I don't need to break this out right now, but I will be breaking this out between now and the next sale. I've been wanting to try this mascara for a very, very long time. Again, I'm not going to open it up because I don't want to like start that clock. I'm pretty careful with my mascaras. I always get rid of them after 6 months. But yeah, this isn't really necessarily very exciting, but once I break it out and start using it, I'll definitely be sure to update you on how well it works. I'm pretty particular with my mascaras. Okay, next, the second to last item is this right here. This is a foundation. This is the Kosas Tinted Face Oil. It's like a foundation, but it's a face oil. It's in the shade 3. I had this on my list to pick up, and I also have the Rare Beauty foundation on my list to pick up, and I almost picked up the Rare Beauty foundation, but then I really kind of thought about it and realized that this is a lot more expensive than the Rare Beauty, so if I was gonna buy one of them outside of the sale, it should probably be the cheaper one. So I ended up picking this up. The full price of this is $42 before the sale, so definitely a good opportunity to use the actual 20% off. This is what it looks like. It comes in this nice little kind of slim packaging. I like it very much. I tried a sample of this a while back, and I really, really liked the way that it looked on my skin. So I'm very excited to give this a go. Let me see if I can actually, I think I have to shake it up first because it's very, like, you can hear it. It's super, super oily, but it looked really good on my skin, and it covered really well. Let me see if I can kind of show you. Here we go. We're just gonna add a drop to the back of my hand, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if that really helps you at all, but it's got a decent amount of coverage. It just feels so good. I'm very excited. I'm very pleased with my purchase. But I am planning on picking up the Rare Beauty foundation at some point to give a try. Spoilers for those of you who might be waiting for my Ilia True Skin Serum Foundation. I was having like a really good skin day, so I decided to give this a try, and it just made my skin look so bad. The same as it had the couple other times that I tried it before, so I am gonna be selling this because it just unfortunately failed me and did not look the way that I wanted it to on my skin. But I have higher hopes for this. Again, I've tried samples and I liked the samples, but we'll see if the full size lives up to how I remember the sample size is working. Okay. And this last item is the one thing that I added to my basket after I'd already had my basket ready to go because I watched a recommendations and a haul video. She actually hauled this in her video. And it was Alana Rama's video her Sephora haul video and she mentioned this, and I looked into it because again I hadn't seen this on the Sephora website and it just made sense, and I'm very happy with it. So here it is. This is the Marc Jacobs Oi Mon Cherry, this favorite set. I'm not gonna try and speak French. Is that French? I don't know. These are all the products that it comes with here on the back. I will open it up though. It does come with this little bag purse. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of cute. It's kind of like a little bright red statement kind of piece, but I don't use bags like this ever. I carry a lot of stuff with me whenever I go somewhere, no matter what I'm doing, because diabetes. So I might end up seeing if anybody else wants this, but it did come with that. And then the one full-size item that it came with is this right here. This I hadn't really ever heard anything about, so I looked it up on the Sephora websites and it had incredible reviews. This is their Recover Hydrating Coconut Lip Oil in Kissability. It's just this clear lip oil, and it had, again, incredible reviews. And I just feel like right now with, you know, the way everything is, wearing masks, all that jazz, this seems just like a perfect option right now because we're not going to be wearing a ton of lipstick. I usually only wear lipstick if I'm filming a video or something like that. But this is something that would be easy to apply to kind of just rehydrate a little bit, give a little bit of a kind of situation. I did try it out last night after I opened everything up, and so far I really like it. I'm pretty pleased with this. And then I have the other little items in the purse. It's just so cute. They all fit in here. I love it. Okay, so first of all, this right here is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. I love it so much. This is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. It doesn't say on here, but oh yeah, no, yes it does. Okay, Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I love this, so I'm very pleased to have a sample of this, well, deluxe size, because these last about 3 months or so. And then next, okay, one of the things that really just, I have a thing for mini sizes, small things in general, and I just immediately was so excited about this next thing that comes in the set. It's so cute. It's so tiny. It's, oh my god. I absolutely adore this. So if you're not familiar with my makeup collection, I don't have a lot of bronzers in my makeup collection, but a couple years ago, my husband did buy me, this is insane. He did buy me this. This is such a huge product, especially for a bronzer. I've not hit pan on it, but I have gotten like a good little dent in it. I love this. I love this bronzer, but I never want to take it traveling because it's just so ginormous. It's so big. It's as big as my face. Now I have a little baby one that I can take traveling, and I'm so thrilled. So I have this bronzer and I have this bronzer, and that's it. So this is the Cream Fenty bronzer, and then I have the full size of the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer in Tantastic. I think Tantastic. And then I have some in face palette sets, but those are the only two single bronzers I have. So I didn't feel like this was a dumb purchase to get a wee baby mini size, and there's still an okay amount of product in here. Definitely sufficient for traveling, especially because we're not going to be doing that much traveling in the near future anyways, but I think this will last me a good amount of time, and it's just so cute. And the last item in here, which I wasn't 100% sure if I was gonna like this or not, but I was excited to try it because I'm definitely getting more into cream products, is this right here. So this is the Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops. Oh no, it's the Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter in the shade Do You ? There's a decent amount of product in here. I did swatch this last night, but I will look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's just, oh, it's so pretty. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled with everything. I don't think there's anything in here that I'm disappointed by so far. I mean, I've swatched just about everything, smelled just about everything. TBD on the foundation, we'll see how well it works. Also TBD on the skincare items. As I mentioned before, I have used and I'm still using the SPF by Biossance, and I really like that, so I have high hopes for these items, but we will see. And I guess I don't know yet about the mascara, but I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited about everything. I feel very pleased with my purchases, and shout out to Alana for recommending this set right here. I definitely think that this is worth it. These two items I already knew that I liked. This so far I'm very excited about. It just looks so pretty. And then this has got really good reviews, and I think it's just a really great product for right now in the climate and the cold weather and stuff like that when we all need a little bit more hydration. And those were all the items I picked up. I was so close. I was so close to picking up the Natasha Denona Zendo palette, but I didn't. I resisted. I have so many palettes that I really love using and want to get more use out of right now that I thought it was silly to add a new one with my own money, but I am planning on putting it on my Christmas wish list, so maybe one of my relatives will buy that for me. I feel like I did pretty good. I narrowed down all of these things and only ended up adding in one more thing, which was this right here, but I feel pretty good about the items that were in this little set. All right, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you participated in the Sephora VIB sale, you'll have to let me know what you picked up. I'm excited to hear, or what items are on your wish list. If you don't want to miss any future uploads, consider subscribing, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.